So I saw this new Tesla wall connector on Tesla's website and I had to get it. And the reason why is because they have upgraded their latest wall connector with Wi-Fi to get connectivity, hopefully, with your cell phone. So let's see. This is the box they sent me. Kind of heavy. But it wasn't in another box. FedEx just delivered it just like this. So that was kind of interesting. Normally, they'll put things in a box to protect them. But so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have in here. So, here we go. All right, oh, the little Tesla logo right here. Oh yeah, let's go over this box a little bit. So on the back, it says wall connector, designed in California. It's got a little Tesla logo down here. And then another little Tesla logo right here at the top. That's pretty interesting. And on the front, it's got a nice graphic of the picture of what it looks like. On the side, it says wall connector with a Tesla. On the other side, same thing. And then on the bottom, nothing. It's got a little barcode right here. All right. So let's get this guy open. Oh, wow. Okay, that's great presentation. They just put that thing right there in the center. Oh, and the cover on it. It's like the back glass of your cell phone. How it's clear. Oh my, I believe that is glass or some kind of thick plastic. Oh, it might be like a thick plexiglass. But oh my word, that is nice. All right, so let's pull this out of here. And some packing material. And let's get this piece out. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow, the cable's already in there. It's got a nice 18-foot cable it comes with. Very nice. So let's see here. Let's move this off to the side. Oh my word. Wow, that is nice. Looks like a hole right there for the wires to come in, or wires from the bottom. Very nice. Oh my word. Okay. So let's see what we got here. We got some information about it. Quick start guide. What tools you're gonna need. All right. Oh, it's got little toggle switches inside, it looks like. So we'll have to see what that's all about. Some information about the electronics of it. All right. Very good. Oh, also comes with a template for the wall, for mounting it, for the holes. Very good. All right, so that's about it for now. That is the Tesla wall connector, the new one. I call it version 2 of it. It's got a kind of a scratching type of cover on here. I bet my fingernail scratches it. Yeah, sure enough, man, you can scratch it with your fingernail on the side. Does that go away? Kind of. But the front's really what everyone's going to be looking at. And that is gorgeous. It's a white. Like I said, it looks like the back of your cell phone. It's got a clear layer on it. Sounds like plastic. Very nice. All right, can't wait to get this set up. Well, there you go. That's the new Tesla Powerwall. Let's see, or wall connector. Thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Very good. Okay. All right, well, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Just the charger itself. All right, great. And we'll talk to y'all later. All right, bye-bye now.